Now, here's an example of a trig question, and we see that in the exams what they tend to do is put them in some kind of context. So here we've got something about the Bermuda Triangle, and we have a diagram, but essentially the problem focuses on the triangle we're given here. Now, in an exam, what you would want to do is copy this triangle into your workbook. So make your own diagram so that you can mark it if needs be. 1100, 950, 1000, aim, B, P. Now, the next part of the thinking is to say what part of the course is this testing. So right away we see that it's trigonometry and there's no right angles, so it's going to be sine, cosine, area of triangle. And so what we do here is we look what we're asked to find, calculate the size of angle BPM, so we'll call that X. And immediately we can say our approach to this is, can we use the sine rule? Well, as we don't know any other angle, we can't set up the required fractions. And so the next question is the cosine rule, and we can in fact use the cosine rule because we know three sides and we're trying to find one of the angles. Now, the area we've got to be careful if we just copy this and go on to the next page here. Hang on. Take a copy of that. Go into a new page. Paste our diagram again. So we've decided it's the sine rule, which is given in the formula sheet, and we're finding an angle. So in the formula sheet, now write this down. The sine rule is given as cos A equals B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. And the only thing we've got to be careful of is what sides do we use here? What's A, B, and C? Well, the angle is the one we're trying to find here. So effectively, what we do is A is the angle and B and C are the sides surrounding the angle. So in our case, cos X equals two sides surrounding the triangle, 1000 squared plus 950 squared, minus A squared, the side opposite, 1100 squared, over 2 times 1000 times 900. So as I say, the only problem is we get these in the wrong order. And we've got to be clear that we understand which sides and angles to use. We would then put that into our calculator, and that would give us the angle X.